In this video, I will show you how to use Shopify to create a product showcase easily. First, click on Apps from the left side of your dashboard. Then click on Recommended Apps, scroll down, and open the Shopify App Store. Once you're inside, search for Easy Boost, Collection Carousel, then install the app just like I'm doing here. After the installation is complete, you will be redirected to the app dashboard. From here, click on Create New Product Showcase to get started. Now, choose a layout, either grid or slider, and for this tutorial, we'll go with the slider layout. Then move to the next step. After that, enter a title for your showcase and continue to the Templates section, where you can select any design you like. I'll choose one template, but you can pick based on your preference. Next, go to the Product section, click on it, and choose the product type, such as specific products or latest products, depending on your needs. Make sure to review the remaining fields and settings to customize your showcase properly. You can also check the live preview in both desktop and mobile views to see how it looks. Once everything is set, simply click on Save, and your slider will be published. You can now view it on your homepage, and that's it. You're all done. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.